Hello guys, so now we are at Shreyas hotel and this is my room. This is the scenery, like cute small sitting area. Um, this is how the bedroom looks like. Isn't it cool? Now comes the bathroom area. The bathtub, my favorite place. I think I'm gonna dive into the bathtub as soon as the video ends. Now we are going to the first floor, that is mine and my sister's room. Walking the steps. That too tiny. This is my wonderful room. But down below the room was my mom dad's. This doesn't have a bathtub, but I like it. Superb, cozy, cool. I'm gonna show you the view how it looks. I mean, I can call my mom whenever I want. Zahabia, say hello. So basically I'm gonna show you the outside area. The baggage is all here. The TV is on. Here my mom is coming. Say hello, mommy.
Hello.
I'm gonna show you the pool. I love the flowers. I'm gonna pluck some for my reason. Yes, I have taken your video. I was like very shocked when I saw no reviews of this online, and like, yeah, the swimming pool. I love the swimming area. I'm in love with the swimming pool. I mean, once I'm in the pool, I cannot leave the pool for at least 4-5 hours. No diving, so then I think I really have to dive then. I have to take a sun bath for sure. So yeah, I think there is a garden area here. Yeah, there is. There's a parking. So I think that's it. My first YouTube vlog.